Let's explain how Probi's Lactiplantibacillus plantarum 299V works. Probi's solution for digestive health is based on the most clinically documented L. plantarum strain in the world, Lactiplantibacillus plantarum 299V. In short, LP299V. The LP299V strain is proven to survive passage through the entire gastrointestinal tract, from the mouth and all the way out. LP299V has been demonstrated to colonize both the small and large intestine, despite the presence of oxygen in the upper portion of the intestinal tract. This sets LP299V apart from many other bacteria that are sensitive to oxygen and can only be found in the large intestine, where oxygen levels are very low. LP299V binds to the epithelial cells of the intestinal wall, the so-called enterocytes. These are nucleated cells that have specialized finger-like structures called villi that project into the intestinal lumen. The binding between LP299V and the enterocytes involves mannose residues that extend off the enterocyte villi and bind tightly to proteins expressed on the surface of the bacteria. By binding to the enterocytes, the LP299V strain enables direct communication between the bacteria and the host. This promotes increased production of mucus, which is the first line of defense against intruding pathogens. It also strengthens the tight junctions, responsible for holding the epithelial cells tightly bound to each other. The risk of foreign compounds passing, translocating through the intestinal barrier, and increasing inflammation, a condition known as leaky gut syndrome, thereby decreases. The mannose binding mechanism is shared with certain other bacterial strains, some of them potentially pathogenic. When LP299V occupies the binding sites on the enterocyte villi, these potential pathogens can no longer attach and are flushed out of the system. This is called competitive exclusion. LP299V is a lactic acid-producing bacterium. The lactic acid it generates lowers the pH in the intestinal lumen, creating an environment that supports the growth of other beneficial bacteria. Additionally, lactic acid serves as a precursor to short-chain fatty acids, which provide energy to intestinal cells and support cellular repair. Taken together, these various mechanisms lead to a healthier and more diverse intestinal microbiota and help to strengthen the intestinal wall. The result is a healthy and intact intestinal barrier and improved overall gut health. With this foundation, Digestive Health by Probi supports lifelong gastrointestinal wellness through the proven power of biotics.